Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the algebraic identities. Now coming to the topic identity 4. Expansion of the square of a trinomial means a plus b plus c the whole square. Means when you multiply a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c, you will get this answer. So which is the fourth identity? A plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. It is a very big identity, isn't it? A lengthy one, so you have to be careful. So it is a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. It is easy to remember, but it is lengthy, that's all. Now example 8. So it is a plus b plus c the whole square. So now put the values. Already the identity is written, so I am not writing the identity again. So we will be writing here a is equal to 3x, b is equal to 2y, b is equal to 2y and c is equal to 7. Now put the values. How? A squared, that is 3x the whole square, plus b squared, that is 2y the whole square, plus c squared, that is 7 square, plus, now bracket open, 2ab, 2 into a is 3x, b is 2y, bracket close, plus 2bc, 2 into b is 2y, c is 7, plus 2ca, 2 into c is 7, a is 3x. Now find the values. 3 square, 9x square, plus 2 square, 4y square, plus 7 square, 49. Now 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, xy, plus 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, y, plus 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42, x. When you multiply the smaller ones and multiply with the bigger one. It is easy. Otherwise 14 3s are, if you don't know the table, it will be difficult. That is why 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So all are different terms, so you can't add. This is the final answer. When there is plus in between, no problem. If it is negative, then you have to be little bit careful. Now coming to the example 9. Here negative is there. So first we will write a is equal to 3x. Now b is equal to minus 2y, because the identity is in the plus. So here it is plus minus, that is minus, isn't it? That is why we are taking b is equal to minus 2y and c is equal to minus 7. Understood? So wherever minus is there, you have to take the sign along with the term. Now a square, 3x the whole square, plus, now minus 2y the whole square plus minus 7 the whole square plus 2ab, 2 into a is 3x, b is minus 2y plus 2bc, 2b is minus 2y, c is minus 7 plus 2 into ca, c is minus 7, a is 3x. Now 3 square is 9x square. Now don't put the sign. First see, minus 2 the whole square. माइनस का स्क्वायर इट विल बी पॉजिटिव. याद रखने का है, ऑलवेज द स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नेगेटिव इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. सो प्लस 2 2s are 4y square. Again negative, so it becomes positive. 7 squared is 49. But now you have to be careful. Here this is plus, then minus. 1 minus means whenever you multiply 1 negative, then the answer will be negative. If the negative is in odd numbers 1, 3, 5, then the answer will be negative only. So the full answer will be negative. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, xy. Now here 2 negatives are there. 2 negatives means it will be positive. Yes or no? Negative into negative will be positive. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28 and 1. Now here 1 negative is there in this. So minus 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42, x. See, the numbers they are same in both the examples, only the difference with the sign. So that is why here, till here it is same, but here the sign difference is there. So you have to be careful with the signs. Is it clear? So that was fourth identity examples. Now coming to the worksheet 4 related to the fourth identity. So already it is all fourth identity, that is why I am not writing the identity again and again. Already one time I have written a plus b plus c the whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. Now we have to expand, means we have to find the value. Okay. So a is equal to x, b is equal to minus 2y and c is equal to 3z. Remember earlier also in the example I have told you, whenever minus is there you have to take. Okay. Now it will be a squared, that is x square, put the bracket, plus b squared minus 2y the whole square, c squared 3z the whole square, 2ab, 2 into a is x. See, while putting multiplication sign and x, you have to be careful. X, that is 2ab, b is a minus 2y, plus 2bc, 2 into b is minus 2y, c is 3z, plus 2ca, c is 3z, and a is x. Now x square, negative का square, it is positive. 2 square is 4, y square, plus 3 square is 9, z square. Now 1 minus is there, minus 2 2s are 4, xy. इधर भी एक नेगेटिव है तो माइनस 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, yz. Now it is plus 2 3s are 6, zx. X squared plus 4y squared plus 9z squared minus 4xy minus 12yz plus 6zx. Okay? Lengthy, but you have to be careful, that's all. But the method, it is comparatively easy, isn't it? Now a is equal to minus 5x, b is equal to 2y, c is equal to z. Now in the exam you have to write the identity and then solve. Right side, first you write the identity, then you have to write ABC and then solve it. A squared minus 5x the whole square, b squared 2y the whole square, c squared z square, 2ab, 2 into a minus 5x, b 2y, bracket close, put within the bracket, plus 2bc, 2 into b is 2y, c is z, plus 2ca, ca, 2 into c is z, a is minus 5x. Now negative square is positive, 5 square is 25, x square, plus 2 square is 4, y square, plus z square. Now here one negative is there, so the answer will be negative. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, xy, plus 2 2s are 4, yz. Now here it is 1 negative, so minus 2 5s are 10, zx. So answer is 25x squared, 4y squared plus z squared minus 20xy plus 4yz minus zx. Now coming to the third. Hope you are getting the confidence, isn't it? A is equal to 4x, b is equal to y, c is equal to minus 3z. Put within the square bracket. Now a squared, 4x the whole square, plus b squared, y square, c squared, minus 3z the whole square, plus 2ab, 2a is 4x, b is y, plus 2bc, b is y, c is minus 3z, plus 2ca minus 3z into a is 4x. So within the bracket everything is a multiplication sign. Now 4 square 16, x square plus y square. Now negative square, square of a negative is positive, 3 square is 9, z square. Next plus 2 fours are 8 xy. Now here 1 minus is there, so minus 2 threes are 6 yz. Now here 1 negative is there, so minus 2 threes are 6, 6 fours are 24 zx. Understood? Hope you are getting the confidence, isn't it? Good. Now fourth sum. Write a is equal to 3a, b is equal to minus 5b and c is equal to minus 7c. Okay, we'll put the values. A squared 3a the whole square, b square minus 5b the whole square, c square minus 7c the whole square, 2ab, 2 into a 3a, b minus 5b plus 2bc, 2b is minus 5b, c is minus 7c plus 2ca, 2 into c minus 7c, a is 3a. You have to be careful when you put the values. एक सम करने के वक्त कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके लिखते जाओ और बीच में इधर उधर देखने का, बात करने का कुछ नहीं, ठीक है? Otherwise you lose the concentration and you might make the mistakes. So 3 square is 9, a square minus square is plus square of a negative plus 5 square 25, b square again negative, so it will be positive square, 7 square is 49, c square. Now here 1 negative is there, so minus 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, a b. Now here 2 negatives are there. When you multiply 2 negative numbers, it will be positive. 2 5s are 10, 10 7s are 70, b c. Now here 1 negative is there, so minus 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42, c a. So the answer you got 9a squared plus 25b squared plus 49c squared minus 30ab plus 70bc minus 42ca. So we have completed the examples and 4 sums of a worksheet 4. It's a bit lengthy but easy, isn't it? Bye. Thank you.